everybody, Delic Boy here, and welcome back to the Bop It Extreme Challenge! The Delic Boy to TV. So, I've been wanting to come back to this challenge for a while, and I really haven't had very much time to do so. So today we're back with part 3 of it. It's going to be awesome, and we're going to do well this time. I am not sick this time round. And we are going to get right into it. The first round. And it's not on. Of course not.
Beat bop, solo, box bop. Beat bop, box bop, solo.
Actually, let's do beat bop, solo. Because it's just sounds. It's harder. I'm just like,
score.
Oh, what? A sound? Oh, I'm not going to pay attention to that. I'm just going to let myself lose. Round 2. So well. Wait. 30! What? I did it. I got 30. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Make it rain. Round 3.
Box bop, beat bop, box bop, solo. Flick it. Spin it. Pop it. Down.
That does
Game
not
over.
count.
Score.
Shut up! That does.
Pull it. Down.
But okay,
Game over.
so that doesn't count because I was on the wrong
Beat bop,
setting.
solo.
What happened? No, seriously, what just happened? I just got 30 and now I've gotten 1? What? Round 4. All my fault. Oh, that was all my. Round 5.
Box bop, beat bop, box bop, solo. Beat bop, solo. Down. Do it the same, but score.
Why? What is wrong with me? You saw nothing. Round 6. Yes, I know. I kind of made that sound more exciting than it was. It was upside down because I'm stupid like that.
Game over.
Round 7. not too bad, but I'm just so happy that I got my score of 30 on camera. Round 8. My hand's getting tired. Oh!
Killer, dude. High score.
$59. Round 9. I don't even care anymore because I have 59. But anyways, really, that's all the time we really have in this video today, sadly. But if you did enjoy, please do like, comment, and subscribe. It can really help out, and I will see you all next time. Bye! I can't believe I got